I have this bone. It's one of these real hard dog bones. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle. The dog loves it. The problem is, see how it leaves these really sharp edges? Well, then he ends up hurting himself on it. So these bones are about 10 bucks. So what I found out, by using a normal ordinary wood rasp, I can reuse this bone again, almost like it's new. See how it's smoothing out the edges? Same thing, I'm just going to do it on all three sides of this Y bone. My dog uses his bone to kind of wind down after a long day of chasing rope and having fun. This is a perfect thing for him to have a little bit of quiet activity. Takes maybe like 5 minutes of intense sawing back and forth. I'm sure this wood rasp wasn't designed to take care of this filament bone, but it does wonders. As soon as it's smooth, it'll be good enough again to be able to go back to it. You can see already it's starting to look better. This one needs a little bit more work. You do have to make sure your hands are out of the way of the rasp. And it might be easier if you stuck this in a vise. Alright, so it's getting smoother. You can see he's been using his bigger teeth on the bone. Bone is almost like new, it's smooth again. Just have this bottom portion. So this is how you make a $10 bone last longer, especially when your pet, or in this case my little TJ, loves this bone, looks for it before he goes to bed at night. So we're almost finished with finishing this bone. It's nice and smooth all the way around. There's no really sharp points. There's a little bit of shoving that needs to be done, but for the most part, this bone will be able to be used again by my little TJ. And then saves another 10 bucks out of your wallet.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.